Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Smart Cloud Broker. In this demonstration, we will compare the price and performance of two microservers using a load balancer against one small server on its own. The objective of the test is to determine which server configuration performs better when hosting a transactional web e-commerce application. Both these servers are provisioned by Amazon EC2. So let's get started. The entire benchmarking process consists of 4 simple steps. In the first step, we select the servers we want to compare from the server catalog. This selection may be based on the server price or the actual configuration. We select the microserver and the small server, both in the Sydney data center. At the time of recording this video, the on-demand price for the microserver was 3.5 cents an hour. That of the small server was 11.5 cents an hour. In the second step, we specify the scenarios that we want to use to evaluate the performance of the two server configurations. Users can select the appropriate benchmark application and specify scenarios according to the specific requirements. In this demo, we select the online store benchmark and specify 2 scenarios for illustration purposes. In the first scenario, we test the performance of 2 microservers with a load balancer against a load of 100 concurrent users. In the second scenario, we test one small server on its own against a load of 100 concurrent users. In step 3, we submit the test to Smart Cloud Broker and wait for the results. In this step, the previously defined scenarios are tested and results aggregated. Once the tests are completed, the results are returned for visualization and analysis. In the final step, we compare the results returned from running the benchmark tests. The results capture the most relevant performance characteristics for evaluating a web application. As we can see, the average time to load a web page for an application load balanced on 2 microservers is much lower than that for an application which runs on a single small server. We can see that more customers are able to browse the web application successfully when it is load balanced on 2 microservers. We can also see that it is cheaper to use 2 microservers with a load balancer instead of one small server. If you are a prospective cloud consumer who would like to support 100 concurrent users accessing your web application, you are better off choosing 2 microservers instead of one small server. That brings us to the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.